thousands. So they're eating. They've been in this hive for 6 days now. They're filling it out nicely. I'm going to start taking these sides out. I'm going to work from right to left. Give them just a little smoke. This is frame number 3. There's some cat brood in the top right. Looking for the queen in all these and I don't see her. Look on the other side here. Definitely hard at work on this one. Notice the bigger ones right there. Those are the males. Smaller ones are the females, obviously. The males don't have a stinger. There are some new ones on this one, but I don't see the queen on here. The white box is done. I couldn't find the queen, but I'd say they're doing pretty good. There's definitely more bees than there was a week ago. They're pretty upset here, you can tell. They're returning back though with their legs full of pollen. See the sacs? Notice how they're fanning backwards, trying to cool the hive off. Another shot of smoke and then I'm going to leave them alone. Alright, now on to this other one. See what I can get out of this thing. Alright, so here we go with box number 2. This one was the smaller of the 2 hives. By population when I first put them together. Although they are laying honey. That's capped honey. There's honey that they're laying in there. This hive's not nearly as populated. There she is right there, right in the middle. See her right there? That's our queen. See if I can get right in the middle. Right there, see her? Alright, so we were able to find the queen in there. She's on this frame. So I know where she's at in the yellow box. I just can't find her in the white box. Maybe because the colony's larger. I'll show you some of these guys. They're coming back with pollen. You can see them come in and land with yellow pollen on their legs. Maybe if I do this. Not all of them coming back have pollen, but a good chunk of them do. So they're finding it and they're bringing it back. And then here's the problem with this hive top feeder. Once it's outside, bees can't swim. They drowned. So I got to get them out of there. They'll be dead, obviously. They climb from the inside and then they don't drown because then they can hook onto this metal. So all the research I did says don't put the top on, so I'm gonna leave the top off. And that's it.